In this video, we're gonna show you some of our absolute favorite travel gear and essentials you can get on Amazon. Hey everybody, I'm Nick.
And I'm Allie.
And we just wrapped up 6 months of full-time travel in nothing but carry-on bags and have learned that the travel gear that you bring with you can dramatically improve your experience.
Everything that we'll mention in this video has been road tested by us, and we'll leave links in the description below so you can easily get them too. Let's dive in.
The first item on our list is this water bottle by Owala. I drink a lot of water, and we have found through our travels that dehydration for me can be almost as bad as being hangry. So having a good water bottle was very important. Some of the things I love about this one is its dual wall insulated stainless steel, so it keeps your drink cold for up to 24 hours. It is a one-touch open. Just push that button and it flips open. The way the mouthpiece works is it's gulp or sip. It has a straw. I prefer the gulp method, but it's very choose your own adventure, if you will. It's sleek, it's attractive. It comes in either 24 or 32 ounces. And honestly, it's very affordable. There's so many expensive pieces of drinkware out there, but this is super clutch and a great item for any traveler. All right, next up we have this universal travel adapter by EPICKA. Guys, this might be my #1 holy grail Amazon travel product. I love this thing. Super affordable, and if you've done any measure of international travel, you know that you're gonna need a good travel adapter. What I love about this thing is that it can charge up to 6 different devices at once. So it has a spot for AC power. It has 4 USB-A slots and a USB-C slot. Honestly, I use this even when I'm not traveling. I plug this in by my bed at home because it can charge so many different things at once. Just one note before you rush out to get this, and I definitely think you should get it, it's not a voltage converter. Okay, so make sure you get a voltage converter if you need one. While we're on the topic of power, I wanted to mention this Anker power strip with USB. This thing is perfect for those Airbnb or hotel situations where there's not an outlet near the bed, or maybe there's not very many outlets at all. And let me tell you, during our 6-month trip, we were in plenty of sketchy charging situations. This thing can charge up to 6 different devices at once. So even when we were in those situations, this was perfect for charging our camera equipment, our drone, everything we had. This one is the 5-foot version, but Anker also makes an 8-foot and a 10-foot version.
Item number 4 on our list is the Kindle Paperwhite. If you're an avid reader, this is a great alternative to carrying around bulky books. It's very thin and lightweight, and the battery power on this thing is insane. I can read through a whole international flight and still have lots of battery power left, so you don't have to charge this thing all that often. It is backlit, so you can read in multiple lighting situations, which is nice, indoor or outdoor. And honestly, it's so small, it barely takes up any space, so it's a great addition to your carry-on and your travels. So the next item on the list is my personal holy grail item, which is a pair of Sony noise canceling headphones. I am a nervous flyer. I hate hearing all the bumps and thumps on the plane, and noise canceling headphones help ease my anxiety. These are really great because they're comfortable over the ear Bluetooth, but they also come with a cord an adapter so you can plug into any type of plane entertainment system. They have a really long battery life, so they can last an entire international flight plus some. These are a bit of an investment, especially compared to other headphone options, but the quality of these are so great, so I definitely think it's worth it. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video and you want to see more travel product related videos in the future, give us a thumbs up, and in the comments, let us know what your favorite travel products are.
So this little guy goes by many different names, but I just call it the Spiky ball. Okay, so this is made of a very firm rubber. I thought it was hard plastic for a long time, but it was developed for plantar fasciitis, and basically for like massaging the muscles in your feet. You can also use it for your back or other parts of your body, but I travel with this always because it is perfect for working out the kinks after a full day of walking or a long haul flight. Packs down small. I usually just put it into one of my shoes, and I got it for under $10.
Our next item is to help you stay fit while you travel. I love these packable resistance bands. They're very flat in comparison to other resistance bands that are big and bulky, so they're perfect for travel. If you travel long term or you stay in Airbnbs versus hotels where you have access to gyms, it's nice to have this piece of equipment with you because you can get a great workout in with very little space taken up in your carry-on. There are actually YouTube creators that have lots of videos on workouts specific to resistance bands. My personal fave is Nourish Move Love, but they're super inexpensive and they're great for strength training, stretching, all of the different ways that you can actually use these. So it's kind of low risk to have them in your bag just because they don't take up a whole lot of space. Look how flat all of these pack down. They're very small. And they look like fruit by the foot.
Okay, if you've been around our channel long at all, you probably already know that we are team Packing Cube. Packing cubes are a great way to organize your stuff, and if you use compression cubes, a great way to save space. We've used a bunch of different brands, sizes, etc. over the years, and some of them are still available, some are not. We've linked up several different options for you down below.
So usually a big decision that I have to make when packing my bags for travel is what hairstyling tool I'm gonna take. Because typically hairstyling tools are bulky, they're usually single use, which is why I love this curling iron and straightener 2-in-1 option. It is temperature controlled and dual voltage, so it works in a lot of different countries that we've visited. And another positive is that this particular styling tool is pretty compact in comparison to other styling tools that I use at home. So it fits really well into my bag and covers all the needs that I would have from a hairstyling product. A great TSA travel hack is solid toiletries. Probably one of our most used items on our 6-month sabbatical is this Clinique facial bar soap. This item right here is a mild soap that you use to cleanse your face, but in a pinch could be used as a body soap too if you didn't have that option where you were staying. Me and Nick used this item twice a day for 6 months and it lasted the entire 6-month trip. It comes in this really handy little case, so if the soap is wet while you're trying to pack for your next destination, your clothes or items don't get wet. By far, our most loved and used toiletry item in our bags.
So if you're a one-bag traveler, I probably don't have to sell you on the benefits of having a packable day pack. It's nice to have a small bag to throw a few items in without needing to haul your big backpack or suitcase around. I've used a lot of those different packable day packs, and my complaint with them is that they're often kind of flimsy. This is the WANDRD Veer 18-liter packable day pack, and I love it because it's the perfect middle ground between one of those smaller packable day packs and a bigger full-size backpack. So this thing is made with quality materials and it's loaded with extra features like mesh straps, a chest strap, water bottle pocket, and an inflatable back panel. And if you're a photographer or videographer, there's also an additional inflatable camera cube you can get, which is pretty cool. Thanks everybody. For more travel-related content, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to go deeper into packing or travel products, we just made a 35-minute ultimate guide for how to pack for long-term travel in only a carry-on, which you can watch right here.
Bye.
See ya.